Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Okay, till now basically we learn the loops and then after that I already covered the conditional statement that are totally three conditional statements, that is if, elif and else. If you didn't watch this, please go and watch that video then come into this video because today this is very simple topic actually. This is, and we can say not exactly we will use in real time scenario, but yeah, sometime we need to require because sometime in life also we need a break, right? We need to we need to stop thinking about everything related to same thing. It's in a programming language, so we have the two important keywords that is called as break and continue. Okay, and I am telling this after loops and conditional statement because this will be used in loops only, but inside loops you need to have the conditional statement, then and then only you can use the break and continue. Okay, it's not like that if you are using the if, elif or else and inside that you can directly use the break. No, not possible, because break and continue it's always used in a loop, but always remember in loop also you need to use if, then and only it will be work. Otherwise directly you can use for I and range and something and break, not possible. Okay, that's why I will covering this topic after the conditional statement and after the loops. Okay, so without wasting time we will moving forward with our new fresh topic, very simple topic, that is called as break and continue. Okay, yeah. Yes. So first of all, simple thing you can remember about the break and continue. Okay. Whenever you see the break keyword, always remember it will be exit the loop. Okay. Doesn't matter if you are using the break statement. Always remember it will be exit. Okay. And second is basically continue. This basically skip the iteration. Okay, iteration, or you can say the condition, right? Otherwise you are saying using fancy words. No, not like that, using condition. So always remember basically this is basically commenting in Python, multi-line comment. If you want to use the multi-line comment, then you can do the triple single quote or triple double quote. Okay, we will cover this in a string data type. Actually I am covering the string data type at the last. Okay. Yes. So without wasting time, we will moving forward. Try to be simple. Okay. So whenever you are going in crossword, I hope everyone know the crossword. Everyone going inside the mall, right? In mall there is one shop. There is called as crossword. So inside that, what exactly there is one type of library. Okay. There all the books are present inside that library. So you can go and search the books, and if you want to read there, you can read there itself only. This is basically called as crossword. Okay, so simple thing is remember about the break. You are searching a book, okay, particular. For example, this is my favorite book actually, do epic shit. Okay, so for example you are going in a crossword, you are searching a particular book, and after you can found that book you can directly break. So for example you are saying, okay, I want to search the do epic shit book, and after that I will leave. That's it, this is called as a break. Now, same example you can try to use in a continue also. So, for example, you are using the Antasti Prarambha, one of the most beautiful book. Okay, everyone need to be read this. I already read that. Okay, and the second is Do Epic Shit, as I already told. So, for example, you want to search the two books. Okay, so for example, if you are getting the two Epic Shit, but your requirement is another book also. So inside that, in that between, there are lots of book, but if you didn't get that, why? Because you don't want that, you what exactly want, this is the two. So entire the middle books are you are skipping. This is called as continue. Okay, very simple. Break, continue. Now we will do in a programming language what exactly you can use that. Okay, simple. For example, for I in a range, I'm mentioning directly 10. I hope you know that. Okay, so it will printing the number from 0 to 9, always remember. Okay, now my task is that I want to break the loop at the time whenever the number pressing the 5. Okay, so after 5 I don't want to print anything, that's it. Okay, then you need to give the condition. What condition? If I equal to 6, and then indent will be proper. Okay, now see, this is the most important. You are using the break and you are using the print uh, uh, down to the if. Okay, now I am running that code. See. Okay, so this is basically called as break. Okay, I hope you can understand. Got it? You can see once again code what exactly I'm doing. I'm using the for loop. Inside that I'm using the if for what? Giving the condition, because particular without condition how you can stop that loop, right? So think in that way. So for I in a range, 10 means it will be going from 0 to 9, then you are executing if I equal to 6. So whenever the number 6 will be coming, it will be directly stopping, exit the loop. Okay, this is called as a break statement. Now using same, I'm just using the, instead of break, I'm using the continue. See, exactly the condition is satisfying. Whenever the I equal to 6 is coming, it will be skipping that number and it will printing all other entire. This is basically break and continue, as simple as that. Okay, don't need to be think about simple thing. Remember that whenever you are using the break statement, always need to give the plus one index. Plus one number means, for example, there are 0 to 1, sorry, 0 to 5. You want to break that loop at the time of 5, then you need to give the 6, then and then only it will be going to the 5. Okay, and related to continue, you need to give exact condition. So for example, you want to skip the 5, then you need to mention the I equal to 5 only, you don't need to mention the 6. Okay, this is the related to the break and continue. You can try to solve as many as example. This is the simple way, always remember. So in summary, I will telling only one thing: break, it will exit the loop permanently; continue, it will skipping that particular condition, it will be satisfying. That's it. This is all about break and continue. So yeah, in next lecture we will moving forward with our lambda function. Okay, this is also one of the most important function. And after the lambda function, I will covering the function, exception handling, file handling, and string. So we can accept at least 5 more videos, then we can say our basic Python will be completed. Okay, so if you didn't watch the previous video, please watch one by one video, then and then only you can getting the concept in a real world. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to me on LinkedIn also, or you can directly put a comment in also. I will read all the comments. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, the last point is always remember, practice makes man perfect. Bye bye.